Cafe sounds? What? No. More like annoying sounds, or I should say stupid sounds. Oh my god, this sound sucks so much. This sound is bad. Because why? I have to tell you all of the reasons. First of all, it's annoying. Second of all, it contains eating, random sounds. Random sounds are annoying. And meowing sounds. Like, bro, what the hell is this sound? It makes me want to be angry and rage bait. And it makes me want to scream until the earth will explode. Ah! I hate cafe sounds. So anyways, screw cafe sounds. CJ Pack sounds is way better than cafe sounds. End of rant.